Hey everybody, like I said in a other video not too long ago, that I actually started this Ridge Runner modified by MPC. Figured I'd do a little bit of an introduction, make it official. So I had so much fun finishing the wild one. Or no, I haven't done the wild one yet. The slammer, the rat trap. I figured I'm going to get to these other two. I do own the wild one. That is the 34, or no, 36. Boy, getting everything wrong. So I'm going to do this one first. I think I'm going to do the colors in green and white. One of the decals in one of the kits was a wild 54 green decal and more of a modern look. I figured this car would be better off as a paint job of more of a modern one. But I'm going to weather it and everything to make it kind of fit with the other two. So that way when all four is done, they kind of go well together. But like I said, I have started it. Ain't much to see. These kits do go so darn quick. Let me show you. There it is, the whole kit. And a jar of water, rinsing off. But I did glue the roll cage together. I like to get a real good gluing onto those before I do anything. And I got the front suspension on. And I did do a lot of sanding on the body. Like I said in the other video, I'll probably do a door line. Just give it a little bit more detail. They did have a trunk. Now I'm going to mock it up and see if I should open that trunk up and hinge it, or just have it so it looks like it's on hood pins, because that's pretty much what it would be. It'd be on some kind of a hood pin system, and have it so that I can glue that body on and you can still see the fuel tank, and do a filler line kind of like what I did on the rat trap, but have it go all the way down to the fuel cell, and then just kind of go from there and make it kind of look really good. Add a little bit to it. Probably do the wiring like I did on the other two, and just have a lot of fun with it. But since everything's soaking in water and you can't really see anything, I'm not going to waste your time anymore. I'll talk to you guys later and see you in the next update.